Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in a trade. Oh, just to let you guys know, I did drop the count down to 977.50. So that was a screenshot I took earlier today, at 11:22. Dropped down to 977.50. So right now, I did a trade on USD JPY. Did a sell on it at 110.80. About 4 contracts at 29.25. I'm up $42 right now, and the market is turning at 110.66. So let's take a look at the chart and see what do we have here. Oh, this is my entry, and this is the market right now. The expiry is at, I did a daily, so right now the expiry is at 3 o'clock, so I still have an hour and 16 minutes left. So I'll be getting back with you guys in just a moment, and let's see what's going on. Live simulation in full effect. Yo, I had to change this trade. I seen a little movement. I seen this move right here. I seen trend line touches right here. So something told me to get out the trade because I seen this happening. And y'all see what happened right here. A nice bull candle. So that's the reason why I got out the trade. So currently in the trade for at 110.72. So I got out pretty early. But it really started hurting. So I'm still in profit right now. I remember what the price was, so I did take a little bit of a hit, but it wasn't much of a hit. Which I should have did the other trade a lot shorter than what I did. But it is what it is. Still a good trade right now. I'll get back with y'all in a moment. So I'm back under 30 seconds, y'all. Trade is currently winning. It's at 110.84. Y'all see it right there. That's the line right there. Boom. And we're going to get the first victory out the way right now. Coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Waiting for position to close. And that's the closing bell. Boom. We're over 1,000. Let's go. Alex Jenkins checking now.